Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. We will discuss how to make money online on micro worker job. I have a good website for micro worker job. For example, Workupjob. Workupjob is most of the popular job site in Bangladesh. So we will discuss how to create, optimize and verify your micro worker job perfectly. Okay, so let's start it. So first of all, you go to your workup job. Then first we will discuss how it's worked it and all dashboard. So this is website logo, about, login, register, and so login or reset. So first of all, about best micro job and freelance site to make money online. For example, have this site have a most of the job posted, total user, task time and paid. Total job post is 17,000 1 lakh 1,71,011. Total user have to 5,10,000 10,988. Total task 1,06,90,561, and total paid 1,22,670 dollars. So workup job recent activity. This is a recent activities. For example, Facebook simple survey, Facebook views, new Gmail create, Binance account create, like, comment, watch time. Workup job recent activities. Workup job recent activities. Will provide best service. Work. This is work session. If you want to freelance job, then you'll like to do it. For example, work, select job you like, complete this task, explore required task, send required proofs. Next step, jobs. If you want, if you want to job apply or hire some person, then you submit a job, set require, estimate budget, rate is task, and use of 1,000 words. And next step, if you want to work this site, then if you work and again grow your withdraw deposit option. If you want work this site, then you try to grow withdraw your account amount, then or if you want to hire another person, you need to deposit, then uh, add a payment method. Fisos worked up job or team. This is here team, total team. Chief financial officer, chief marketing officer, chief customer officer, developer, chief advisor, and the chief executive officer of the of WorkUp job. You can earn more by referral. You can earn more by referral your friends. You will get 5% commission from your referrals is complete task and 30% from your referral is deposit. Then you want to install or download your uh, mobile apps, you will do it perfectly. Workup job site is a Microsoft and freelance service marketplace where you can easily earning make money and also business can find and their individual contact to do some work remotely. Order a Microsoft communication and get task done quickly and is the best Microsoft site in the world where freelancers around the world can directly connect with business owner and get hired. It helps you to earn money online, set filters, and target your ideal freelance. You follow the instruction, then started new work. So, what are you waiting? Find great work, then have a more option for what is this, what type the website you see. This is a make money online related website and also a small workup job. It's about policy terms and condition. You try to all about it. You try to read all about um, support contact. Then first of all, I am creating a account. Click register. Create an account. Sign up for a better experience while using our service. We may require you to provide us with certain personality indefensible information including but not limited to email, full name, country, as the information that we request will be retained by us and used described in this privacy policy with our user-friendly platform and comprehensive job insights listings. Finding the perfect remote gig has never been easier, and the best part, all payout are made in money, so you can get paid quickly and secure. Start making money today and join the growing community of professionals working from home with the Upwork workup job. First, you create a set a name, uh, first your name, then add your Gmail, then set a password. Set password, select a country, then click a write a code, then I agree to workup, then create a account. Right now, my account already I have an account, so do not create this account. So if you have if you have an account previously, then you no need to account create, or you don't have an account, then you try to create a new account. So I have an account. I will do login. Then login account workup job. Go to website for remote job opportunities that can help you earn money quickly and easily. We have something for everyone, small gigs, big result. So I have a account, get a Gmail and set a password, then login started. Okay. I have my account is logged in. Then I will see what the how many have work and how many have option for customize. Hello, MD Khalid Hassan Khokon. This is my profile. Okay, this is profile. This is working overview. Task attention. How many have tasks satisfied? How many people use in satisfied task get not satisfied get pending and payment receipt and last task. Total overview, valid job posted 0, total deposit 0, paid 0, and because my account is new and don't have a deposit or money for my account to my account, the working status অর্থাৎ micro worker job have two options. First option is working status and second option job status. Working status, you want to some work and earn income, then this is a working status. And job status, if you want to have some people to work your job, then you uh, job status you your site. Login history, this is IP track, okay, and then workup job, small gigs, big result. Is workup job is an online Microsoft marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Here they can hire workers for easy tasks and quickly job. Science, this account created 2021 and I am online user ID 128112. This is video manage profile. Create a manage account. Then you select your Gmail. Sorry, select your photos by image. Okay. Now I don't have the image. Then I will try another time. Full name. Create a full name. Add a Gmail as this. Add your as at country about you or about me. This is my, for example, my name is Hasan Khopon from Bangladesh. Bangladesh. I am expert in social media, organic growth, and more. This is a example or basic information. Write your security code for password recovery if you want, or current password if you want to new password, or mm, then click a current password and add a new account. If you want to delete account, then click delete click, click delete account, then your account is permanent delete. So I don't want to delete account. Then top worker option. This is top worker option. How many have task complete the all top 20 people. Then top job poster. This section is top job poster. Okay. Total job post is 21. Raihan Hussain, Irum 20 post. Almost 20 people. Then top refer and top user. Top refer mean you have a refer account. If some people this is top 15 job poster and top refer and select a wallet. My account is not verified now, so I don't show my deposit option. If you want to verify your account, then showing the all wallets section. Support. This is a support section. Read out anytime. Connect us. Mail support. Support available full time. Special support. Have a more and more support list. For example, Facebook Live support page, Facebook official group, uh, Facebook fan page, এবং YouTube and ticket option. So you need to any support, then call there and support. Okay. Then if you want uh, dark mode, you will try it. But I don't want to dark mode. Click again. Natural mode. Okay. Already my account is optimized, and then I need some verify my account. For example, click account verify. Okay. We will discuss how to be used and how to work this site. Full information next video. So try to video more time. Thank you so much for watching my video.